Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I've managed to make this deal free for the tide over at Walgreens. Oh my gosh, there have been a couple little subtle changes and we're going to talk about those. And we even have 90% off perfume. Lots of the items that have been orange tagged went over to 90 yesterday, which was Saturday the 14th, and I'm going to show you what I found. OMG. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a massive thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps me out and make sure that this video gets out there and it doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. So if you could take a second and like the video, I'd be so grateful. Okay. Perfume, certain perfumes, 90% off. A friend of mine on Instagram, Brody Saves, was posting about this really late last night, and I'm like, I'm going to check that out. She's in Texas, I'm in Michigan, and guess what? Same. So if you are a huge perfume fan, I would definitely go and check this out. So we have 90% off on the Britney Spears Fantasy. This is a very sizable perfume bottle as well and would make an excellent Christmas gift. So I would ask for a price check, 1.7 ounce, massive. And then we also have this Curve Crush for $4.19. The original price was $41.99, another 90% off. Lots of the men's colognes as well were $50, but we're looking for $90. Other 90% perfumes that I found for $1.29 are these fragrance mists. I believe that's Giorgio Armani, the yellow one, and then the Paris Hilton ones were also $1.29. So a lot of these celebrity perfumes, if you see any of them, ask for a price check. I don't know if Walgreens will no longer be selling them, but that's what I was seeing for the most part at 90. I would definitely get out and look for these if perfume is your thing, because this is pretty exciting. Okay, so this is the first little problem that I had today. If you look in the flyer, it says $5 reward when you buy two, and that's how it's tagged at the store for the Dove shampoo. And guess what printed out for me? A $2 register reward. Hey, you're $3 short, Walgreens. Do better. So I was not pleased about this. The manager made it right, but oh my gosh, like, what is this? If it's advertised in their flyer, this little $2 business isn't it. So be really careful, guys. In the comments down below, please share with me what is printing for you. I think there's some sort of error that they coded it wrong. It's happened before in the past, but pay attention. $2 is not $5, and you need the extra $3 because it's tagged. So here's the deal. Grabbing two of these shampoos for $8, you're supposed to get back a $5 register reward, making it $3 for the two or $1.50 per shampoo. We have no digital coupons to go with. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. In the comments down below, please share, are you getting a $2 or a $5? And if you're getting the $2, it makes it $6 for the two or $3 per shampoo. We've been getting this Dove deal so much in the last couple months. I'm not paying $3 for Dove shampoo. So please pay attention, guys. This is very important. Okay, so another little clarification today. These are going to just keep rolling out in this video, so I do apologize. Go get some perfume to cheer yourself up, because, whoa. In the Flippy app, it said there was supposed to be a $2 digital off of $4, but it's an IBOTTA rebate, which I've never seen them advertise before, but who really knows? It's not even in the flyer, but they just switched it at the last minute. These are 4 for $10 or $2.50 each, which is an okay price point. IBOTTA is giving back $2 when you buy 4, so it makes it basically $8 for the 4 or $2 per product. If you think about the fact that we get these often for, $1.99, here's the IBOTTA rebate. This is a terrific app too. If you want to sign up today, check out the link in the notes. Fantastic. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, you're given an extra $5 or $10. It's fantastic. Now, I grabbed the scent boosters because this is an item that's typically not with the $1.99 sometimes, or the little laundry detergent pods. I mean, it's usually always that liquid because I can usually never find these. But anyhow, grabbing 4 of these laundry care products, photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes it $8 for the 4 or $2 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And as stated, there was supposed to be a $2 digital, and it's not there in the flyer anymore. So that is interesting. This is a super deal on the Crest. Please open up your Ibotta app to ensure that you're grabbing the right toothpaste because you don't want to mess this up. We have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3, and Ibotta is giving you back $2.50 for 2 of them, so you're getting $5 back, so that's pretty fantastic. Double, triple check, can you use the coupon with this or without it? The different rebates, some probably say yes and some say no. Okay, so 3 of these for 15, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 10. Get back a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt to Ibotta for an extra $5 back, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Quick little teachable moment here. What is a booster? These are the boosters. So if you're going to use these, you unfortunately can't use Walgreens cash or a store register reward, or it's going to mess things up. Top is a paper, bottom one is a digital. Usually get the top one in the store and the bottom one in your digital coupons folder. The next deal that we have is with the Colgate, and yet another thing that they kind of pulled from us. Usually we get a $2 coupon to go with both of these products, but they amalgamated both items into one digital coupon. So instead of $4 off, we only have 2. But grabbing 2 of these Colgates, it would be 9. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 7. Get back one $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per dental care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I truly believe this deal is far too rich. We get this stuff for 50 cents. Put a pause on it. Nice thought, but that $2 digital coupon is not it. Sweet deal of the week are these larger bags of the Double Bubbles, the Tootsie Pops, just a whole bunch of them. They have the merchandise at the front of the store. You know, if you want to grab a bunch of these for Halloween, or if you have a nice candy dish at your office and you want to be the most popular person, obviously grab a couple of these. But this is the deal of the week, and we're definitely going to look at other deals with this as a curbside pickup. Hopefully I can make some magic happen. Another deal that I'm really loving is the sandwich or freezer bags for $2.79, and they're on this goofy promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free. So it shakes out each bag, each 20 count box for 93 cents. This is cheaper than Dollar Tree and definitely an item to grab because it is fantastic. Okay, so the first basket that we're going to look at, we have a paper booster and a digital booster. So we have these 2 working in concert, and yes, they stacked for me. What I grabbed was an assortment of Tide, 2 of the pods, a box of dryer sheets, a softener, and then 3 of those magical crests. For the laundry care, these are all the digital coupons that we have loaded. We have a $2.05 and $1 for the Tide Pods, so that's why we're going heavier with the Tide Pods this week. And we also have this magical coupon for that dental care. And then if you head over to Ibotta, $5 back when you buy two of those toothpaste, so that's pretty fantastic. So looking at the math for this one, 4 laundry care products for $21.96, 3 crests for $15. Your total is $36.96. Have your digital booster loaded of 6 back when you spend $30. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster, which is a 5 back when you spend $20. That's $11 of Walgreens cash back. We have $11.05 in digital manufacturers melting off. You're going to pay $25.91 with your debit card. As you're using those 2 boosters, you're getting back $11 in Walgreens cash, $10 in register rewards, 5 for P&G laundry care, and 5 for Crest. And then you're photographing your receipt for Ibotta for $5 back, $2.50 for each of those toothpastes, and makes your haul basically free. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And this right here is extreme couponing, a very exciting basket. Okay, this next basket, it's another $30, and we're going to be throwing in these 2 boosters. The boosters are of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely what deal you wish to do. This basket, we have the assortment of P&G laundry care, the 2 bags of pods, the Downy Calm, the dryer sheets, 2 of the Dove shampoos, and then I had to get to $30, so I threw in a big roll of toilet paper. These are the digitals that I had, only $6.05 off, but that's still a very large amount, so I will take that all day, every day. And I also had to throw in this guy, and it was just a cheapy little item to get me past that $30 mark. So looking at the math for this one, guys, 4 of the P&G laundry care products for $21.96, 2 Dove shampoo products for $8, and a toilet paper for 79 cents. The total here is $30.75. Have your digital booster loaded. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster. $6.05 in digital coupons melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $24.70. Get back $11 in Walgreens cash for the 2 boosters, a 6 and a 5, and then $10 in register rewards, a 5 for the P&G laundry care, and a 5 for the Dove shampoo. Double, triple check that one prints properly. It makes it $3.70 for the 6 items, or 61 cents per. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. And like, what a basket this one is. It's just a bit different. The other one's a bigger freebie, but this one's also just as good. If you could please share in the comments down below what Dove register reward are you getting and what is going on with that. It's in the flyer. They have to give you a $5 register reward, and they should honor that in the store as well. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.